Okay, so for my restaurant idea, I chose to do a restaurant, a cafe, and the name of it would be Cassie's Cafe because my name's Cass. The restaurant would be vegan and vegetarian, pretty much like vegan, vegetarian, health food restaurant, but it'd be like really delicious and have kind of funky food and smoothies and breakfast. And it's also just gonna be breakfast and lunch, no dinner, but breakfast and lunch for sure because breakfast foods are my favorite and they're the most fun to cook. And I would love to be a cook at my own restaurant one day. The cuisine would be focused around local farmers and fresh food and supporting a local economy and supporting local farmers. That's like the main mission of this restaurant. I think that's super important to promote sustainability and to support local farmers. I would also, my little tagline or slogan would be Cassie's Cafe, local cuisine. And it would be ideally like located on King Street, like where Melodies is, because I think that's such a great location. It's like indoor and outdoor, and you can do a lot of things with that space. And I think it's just the right size. It's not too big, and it's very homey and it's very welcoming. And students could walk there from King Street, so that'd be really cool. So yeah, that'd be my idea.